violence prevention program in Omaha is working to stop the cycle of gun violence that touches Omaha's youth. Dawn to Dusk is a new program developed at Nebraska Medicine that shows teens what happens to gunshot victims inside the emergency room.
This is Roberto Gonzalez. He was born here at UNMC, May 29, 1994. He was a good kid.
Roberto Gonzalez was only 20 years old when he was shot in the chest at 24th and P Streets. He died just 11 minutes after arriving at UNMC's trauma center.
Somebody had Facebooked him and it offered him $30 worth of marijuana. So when he got there that morning, instead of the girl that had Facebooked him, there were 3 guys that showed up. One of them pulled out a gun and shot him once in the chest.
Teens with the Dawn to Dusk program learned about Gonzalez as part of an effort to learn the story behind the statistics and put a face to gun violence in our city.
For them to actually be in that atmosphere, to feel how warm it is in the trauma bay, because we have to keep our patients warm, to see all of the machines, all of the equipment that it takes to try to save someone's life, I think has an impact to say that this is real.
D2D takes at-risk teens straight to the trauma room to show the reality of violence.
We then take a big instrument. This is called a rib spreader. Rib spreaders are open. We put them between 2 ribs and we spread. What this does is this gives us access to his heart so that we can pump the heart for him.
The program aims to not only treat violence, but to prevent it. Classes will be held monthly and will focus on decision-making skills to avoid risky situations.
Well, any effort we can put forth to help our kids is important. And this is a program that Omaha doesn't have. We don't have a trauma-based prevention program.
A push to get these teens thinking twice.
SNAD, in the last week we've gotten 3 more gunshot wounds. And all of them were under the age of 20.
The program is funded by a 3-year, $100,000 grant from UNMC. Dr. Evans hopes to expand the program to include referrals from across Omaha. We'll have much more on the program coming up in the next half hour of our show.